Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video. It's time to do a gaming review of the Oppo Reno 3, and this phone is costing around 60,000 PKR in Pakistan market, and also this phone is powered by MediaTek Helio P90 chipset, which is a new chipset from MediaTek with a Mali G77 MP9 GPU, and also we have a 128 GB of internal storage with 8 GB of RAM, and the display size on this phone is a 6.4 inch full HD AMOLED display. I know that this phone does not come with the Super AMOLED display, which is a improved version of the AMOLED display, but still it is a really good display. And also the screen to body ratio is also not really good on this phone compared to the Samsung Galaxy A51, which comes with a punch hole display, and this phone comes with a water drop notch. As guys you can see on the front, we have a 44 megapixel front camera. Overall, I have to say that I don't really impressed by the screen to body ratio of the Oppo Reno 3. A51 give you a much better screen to body ratio as well as give you a Super AMOLED display. So in this video I'm gonna show you what is the gaming performance of the Oppo Reno 3 if you buy this phone. In this video I'm gonna show you two games, and first is the Asphalt 9 and second is the PUBG Mobile. So now let's launch the Asphalt 9. Okay guys, now let's go to the settings and go to the game settings and go to the sound display, and you can see I set the video quality on default. This phone does not give you a 60 fps option that we see on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, which I have, but this phone right now does not give you a 60 fps option right now. I hope in the future, but right now this phone does not give you a 60 fps option. So now let's play, and you can see, and the graphics quality is really good on this phone. And you can see game is not run 60, I have to say. And right now you can see that we don't see any lag. So overall the gameplay looks very smooth. I don't notice any lag right now, but again game is not run at its full frame rate 60 fps, but in 30 fps I don't see any lag. And you can see the display quality is also really good on this phone, and I know that this notch is not interrupt your experience in gaming, but hole punch it is much better than notch, as guys you know. The punch hole is also very small on the Samsung Galaxy A51, and you can see. And guys, you can see that Asphalt 9 is run very good on the Oppo Reno 3, but not at 16 frames per second. So now let's see the PUBG Mobile. Okay guys, now let's go to the settings and go to the graphics option, and you can see this phone give you a smooth graphics with ultra frame rate. We don't have extreme frame rate right now on this phone, and also this phone does not give you a HDR option right now. And you can see when I go to the HDR option, it says that this option will be available on your device soon. I hope after some updates, because I don't receive any update right now on the Oppo Reno 3 regarding the PUBG Mobile. So I hope it will give you the HDR option in the future, but right now we will play game on the ultra frame rate. Okay guys, now let's play.
Team match, let's go.
And I am not as good in this game.
Activated in 5 seconds. Please get ready. Base A has been activated. The blue team has occupied base A.
Cover me.
And the graphics is really good on this phone because
Dead, cover me.
guys, I don't see any heating issue right now.
Reloading. Target down. Cover me. Reloading. No mercy. Cover me. Reloading.
And guys, I also done the battery life review of the Oppo Reno 3. If you're interested, watch that on my channel. Battery life is really good on this phone.
Dead.
And guys, also I don't see any heating issue. The temperature is really normal on this phone.
Kill! Cover me! Cover me! Cover me!
And guys, you can see that overall I have to say that I really impressed by the gaming performance of the Oppo Reno 3. This phone give you a very good gaming experience. I know that we don't have any extreme frame rate option on this phone, but overall I have to say that I don't feel any heating issue. And you can see I before play the PUBG Mobile for about 1 hour and 15 minutes, so I don't see any lag or any heating issue on this phone. So that's about it, and thanks so much for watching this gaming review of the Oppo Reno 3. Let me know what you guys think about this new Oppo Reno 3, and subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and let me know what kind of more videos you want to see regarding the Oppo Reno 3, and follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.